Here is the question. Let's talk about aims and objects of medico-legal autopsy. So medico-legal autopsy, it is performed in case of suspicious, unexplained or unnatural deaths. A police officer or magistrate requests the doctor to conduct autopsy. What are the aims and objectives of medico-legal autopsy? Determining the exact cause of death. Identifying the medical reason for death. Example, trauma, poisoning, disease, asphyxia. Establishing the manner of death, whether the death is natural, accidental, suicidal, homicidal, or undetermined. Establishing time since death, postmortem interval, using algomotus, rigor mortis, livor mortis decomposition to estimate the time of death. Identification of the disease. In cases of unknown bodies, identification is done through fingerprints, dental records, DNA, tattoos, etc. Detecting external and internal injuries, differentiating between antemortem and postmortem injuries to determine their role in death. Collecting physical evidence. Collecting physical evidence such as gunshot residues, trace fibers, or biological samples. Talking about the examining toxicological reports to identify alcohol, drugs, or poison involved in the death. Determining contributory factors for the cause of death. Identifying the pre-existing diseases that may have contributed to death, assisting in legal proceedings, providing expert medico-legal reports in criminal and civil cases, infants' live birth and viability. Look for signs of live birth. So, talking about the tricks to remember this, so determining the exact cause of death. So, the main aim of forensic is to know the cause of the death, whether death was natural or unnatural, whether it's because of poisoning, trauma, asphyxia, hanging, all that. Establishing manner of death, whether the death is natural, accidental, suicidal, homicidal. Okay, talking about the time since death, when you got the body, you want to know about how much time, right? So using algor mortis is cooling of the body, rigor mortis is stiffening of the body, livor mortis is lividity, coloration of the body. Decomposition to estimate the time since death. Timing is important. What was the time when person died? How long back the person died? Identification of the deceased, to know the identification of the body, like in case of the injuries, plane crash injuries and all that, through DNA records, tattoos and all. Detecting external and internal injuries, differentiating between antemortem and postmortem injuries to determine the role in the death, and physical contributory factors and legal proceedings. Subscribe.